Good morning, dear children. We started our first history chapter, that is how, when, and where. In that chapter, we seen how the dates are important. After that, we seen which dates were very important. Then, how do we periodize? After completing that, we seen what is the colonial. Then, how do we know? Then, how do we know about that era, about that age? To administration procedure of record, how they kept the record in their archives, that we seen, and what they want to keep in their archives, means which kind of the records they want to keep. Who want to keep that? Britishers want to keep the record of everything, and which things they want to keep the record, that we seen. And where was the record room, everything we seen yesterday. Now what official records do not take? So we seen yesterday ki officials record generally kept beside the office. One room is there, and in that room the officials record generally kept. From this vast corpus of records we can get to know a lot, but we must remember that these are the official records. They tell us what the official thought, what they were interested in, and what they wish to preserve for the posterity. These records do not always help us understand what other the people in the country felt and what lay behind their action. Means what actually they want to preserve and what they didn't want to preserve. That we came to know here कि official records only they kept. They don't keep the common life people's problem records, means which problems were facing by the common people, then agriculture landowners, then pilgrims, autobiographers, means many people faced many problem during those days. But they, means the Britishers, they don't keep the records belonging to their lives, that common people lives record they don't keep. For that we need to look elsewhere. When we begin to search for these other sources, we find them in plenty, though they are more difficult to get than official records. We have diaries of people, accounts of pilgrims and travelers, autobiographies of important personalities, and popular booklets that were sold in the local bazaar. As printing spread, newspapers were published and issues were debated in the public. Leaders and reformers wrote to spread their ideas. Poets and novelists wrote to express their feelings. Means see here, key Britishers only kept the record of officials. They didn't keep the records of the common people lives, which is regarding the common people life. But if we wanna to learn about the history, so we have to learn common people also. So from where we get the record of the common people? We get the records of the common people from the diaries of the people. Those days some people were literate, they were used to write the diaries, and from that diaries and the newspaper which published those days, from that we can gather, we can collect the record of the same era, accounts of the pilgrims and travelers, autobiographers of important personality. And here is the travelers, autobiographers, and some personalities. They were very important for collected the records, and popular booklets that were sold in the local bazaars. As printing spread, newspaper were published and issues were debated in the public. Means as in that days which newspaper were published, from that also we get the many records. Then leaders and reformers wrote to spread their ideas. Poets and novelists wrote to explain their feelings. Means what they written down in those era, those period, what is going on about that, the many people wrote it down. Okay, so that record we can gathered from the that particular newspaper which was published in those days. Now, all these sources, however, were produced by those who were literate from this field. We will not be able to understand how the history was experienced and lived by the tribals and peasants, the workers in the mines, or the poor on the streets. Yet, getting to know their lives is more difficult task. means from this record means from the newspaper, from the anybody's diary, we can see ki how was the life of the common people, means how was the life of the worker, how was the life of the agriculture means landowner, how was the life of the miners, इन सबकी लाइफ इन दैट डे कैसी थी, कैसे डिफ़िकल्टी से वो अपना लाइफ लीड कर रहे थे, ये सब हमें उस रिकॉर्ड के ज़रिए पता लगता है. नाउ 8. This can be done if we make a little bit of efforts. When you read this book, you will see how this can be done. जब हम ये बुक देखते हैं तो हम अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि how that record was kept. Okay, so here is our happily chapter is ended. Now I am sharing with you some of the objective today, and tomorrow I will provide you some of the question answer that you have to write in your copy. Okay.